Hello, this is Jamie from Messenger Bot. Today I'm going to show you how to use Messenger Bot as a realtor with the new visual flow builder. Be sure to subscribe to be notified of new features, tutorials, use cases and unique ways to use Messenger Bot. Try our free trial at messengerbot.app and explore this feature with me. In the Messenger Bot dashboard, select Visual Flow Builder to create a real estate business application using Messenger Bot through Facebook Messenger. Click Create New Flow. Select your Facebook page. Then, click OK. The Flow Builder has different parts. First, edit a screen. This is where you will place your components and do your flow setup. Dock menu. You can create components using the dock menu by dragging the component from the dock menu and dropping it on the editor screen. Dock menu. You can move around the dock menu by dragging it. You can also minimize and maximize it by double-clicking. You can also create a component by right-clicking anywhere on the editor screen, then the context menu will show. Once the context menu appears, simply click on your chosen component and it will be created on the editor screen. Components. This is the building block of your flow. Each component has input and output sockets. You can connect each component to one another by connecting compatible input and output sockets. Creating a component. You can create a component using the dock menu by dragging your chosen component, then dropping it on the editor screen. Control buttons. This part contains 3 buttons for the primary operation of the flow builder. You can go back to the main menu. It also has a button for rearranging components and buttons for saving your bot flow. Start bot flow is the beginning of the flow where the first component connects. It has 2 sockets, the trigger and the next. And its configure references providing the title of your flow. Choose labels, choose sequence, and click OK. The text component will allow you to reply to textual content only. It has 1 input socket and 3 output sockets. Input, reply. Output, next, buttons, and quick replies, and its configure text message is providing your reply message. Enable typing on display, and click OK. The image component will allow you to reply with an image. It has 1 input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick replies. Its configure image is to upload images. Enable typing on display, and click OK. Generic template component will allow you to reply with an image, or title and subtitle, or all. It has 1 input socket and 3 output sockets. Input, reply. Output, next, buttons, and quick replies, and its configure generic template is to upload an image, or you can click the image destination link, provide title or subtitle, enable typing on display, and click OK. The carousel component will allow you to reply with a carousel. It has 1 input socket and 3 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, items, quick replies. And the carousel configure is enables typing on display, and click OK. Carousel single component will allow you to reply with an image, or title and subtitle, or all. It has 1 input socket and 1 output socket. Input, reply. Output, button, and its carousel image configuration is to upload the image or click the image destination link, provide title or subtitle, and click OK. The audio component will allow you to reply with an audio file. It has 1 input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick replies. And its configure audio uploads an audio file, enable typing on display, and click OK. The video component will allow you to reply with a video file. It has 1 input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick replies. The video configuration is to upload a video file, enable typing on display, and click OK. File component will allow you to reply with a file. It has 1 input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick quick replies. And the file configuration is uploading the file. Enable typing on display and click OK. Facebook Media component will allow you to reply by referring to a Facebook page. It has one input socket and 3 output sockets. Input, reply. Output, next, buttons, and quick replies. And provide Facebook Media URL, enable typing on display, then click OK. eCommerce component will allow you to reply by referring to an e-commerce shop and its products as a carousel or generic reply. It has one input socket and 2 output sockets. Input, reply, output, next, quick replies. And its e-commerce configuration is select your page, select your products for the carousel. Generic reply, provide buy now button text, enable typing on display, then click OK. File, input, from step, reference, new message set, text, carousel, Facebook Media, image, video, file, delay. User input flow component will allow you to reply with a user input flow. It has only one input socket. Input, reply. Configure user input flow is providing user input flow, enable typing on display, and click OK. OTN component will allow you to reply with one-time notification. It has one input socket and 1 output socket. Input, reply, output, next. Configure one-time notification is providing title, select OTN postback ID, enable typing on display, and click OK. The button component will allow you to reply with a button. It has only one input and 1 output. Input, reply, output, next. Configure button is providing button text, select button type, and click OK. Quick reply component will allow you to reply quickly creating a new postback, using an existing postback, using your Facebook page's phone number or email address. It has only one input socket and 1 output socket. Input, reply, output, new postback. Configure quick reply by selecting quick reply type, then click OK. The trigger component will allow you to get started with the bot. All you need to connect it to a start bot flow or new postback. It has only one output socket. Output, next. Configure trigger is writing down the keywords for which the bot will trigger separated by a comma and click OK. New postback component will allow you to make multiple postbacks through a single bot flow. Each postback will be stored as a standalone postback under the hood. So, you may trigger them later via trigger components if you want. It has one input socket and 1 output socket. Input, reply, output, next. Configure new postback is providing title, choose a labels, select a sequence, and click OK. This is the real estate demo on Facebook Messenger with Messenger Bot. This is how the visual flow looks like when already executed to your Facebook Messenger. The flow for Realtor auto message for its clients. View properties response. When you click View property, Call us button and its text message reply. You can tap to call if you want to contact them. Or you can back to menu. Learn more button and its text reply with carousel item. Click Contact Us. Tap to call if you want to contact them to learn more about the properties. Now, Realtors ready to take your inquiries. It's easier to plan your open house with Messenger Bot and your on-sale houses. Selling homes and reaching out to your client during pandemic is made easy with this application. Click the links below to subscribe and try our Messenger Bot.